Daylilies are one of my favorite plants. Today, Southern Gardening is at Rolling Oaks Daylilies in Picayune, Mississippi, admiring hundreds of beautiful daylilies blooming on the property. Let's take a closer look at some of these beauties. Originally, the only daylily colors were yellow, orange, and red. Today, we have colors ranging from near whites, pastels, yellows, oranges, pinks, vivid reds, crimson, purple, nearly true blue, and fabulous blends. Hydra is an unusual formed, vibrant yellow double daylily with 8.5-inch blooms with teeth. Crossbones boast a fancy face with delicate ruffled edges that make it one of my favorites. Its orchid-purple colored blooms with feather sky lilac watermark and yellow-green throat really pop in the landscape. Daylilies with ruffled and toothed petals have always been a favorite of mine. Buddy's Kayla daylily is a great example. It is a rock star in the landscape. I love the black-purple blooms with green throats and white toothed edges. Daylilies do not grow from bulbs, they grow from bare roots. These roots store nutrients and energy, allowing them to survive harsh conditions and regrow each year. Their flowers grow best when planted in full sun and moist but well-drained soil. In hot climates, dark-colored cultivars require afternoon shade to help retain their color. When planted in the correct location, daylilies can bloom year after year with little care. I hope daylilies become one of your favorite plants too. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.